Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good enough on guitar. First, define what good enough means for your personal musical journey. It is crucial to set achievable goals like mastering 5 open chords or playing one complete song. Consistent practice, even for just 50 minutes daily, builds muscle memory and skill over time. Remember, the goal is enjoyment and progress, not perfection. Embrace the journey of making music. To play good enough, focus on foundational techniques. Mastering 6 to 8 open chords such as G, C, D, E, A, and M is a great start. Practice transitioning between these chords smoothly, aiming for less than 1 second per change. Develop a steady rhythm with basic strumming patterns like down, down, up, up, down, up. Consistent daily practice, even for 10 minutes, will significantly improve your finger strength and dexterity. Smart practice is more effective than long, unfocused sessions. Break down challenging songs into small, 2 to 4 measure sections and master each part individually. Utilize a metronome to develop precise timing, starting at a slow tempo and gradually increasing speed. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insights into your technique and progress. Dedicate each 20-minute practice session to one specific skill or song section for maximum benefit. Ultimately, playing guitar should be a source of joy. Choose songs that resonate with you, as passion fuels motivation. Consider joining a casual jam session or playing with friends. Music is often more fun when shared. Avoid comparing your progress to professional guitarists. Your journey is unique. Celebrate every small victory, like mastering a new chord or playing a full song. Embrace the process and have fun making music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.